wonderful people, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you 3 easiest ways to make fish at home. I hope you will like it. So in this recipe we need only 2 ingredients, the fish and salt. You can use any type of fish that you like. And we're going to mimic Nigerian dry fish. But in this case, we're going to make it a little bit soft, and also because we want the flesh. Cut the fish and season it with salt. If you have a pan like I'm using, you can use it. Or if you have oven tray, you can use oven tray. So sprinkle some salt and season the fish with salt. Line them up in your oven pan and bake under 375 degrees. So check how the fish is doing every 10 to 15 minutes to avoid getting them burnt. Once it's brown enough, bring them out, and that's it. It's set for your Nigerian food, soup, stew, and things like that. For the second recipe, we're going to use vegetables, like simple vegetables you can find around your house, like onion, green peppers, ginger, and hot fresh pepper. We're going to blend them together and use it to season the fish. You can marinate it in your fridge for 2 to 3 hours to allow the fish to absorb the seasonings. Try as much as you could to rub in the seasonings, the Maggi, the salt, and the paste that we made out of the vegetable. By rubbing them in, it helps the fish to absorb all the seasonings. It's time to fry. Start with warm oil and low heat, and then increase the heat as it goes to medium heat. And also be aware of hot oil splatters. Always be mindful of your face and your arms. Those splatters are really hot. Okay? So fry maybe from 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the heat. So once you're done frying, once the fish turns into golden color and it's still moist inside, get them out from the oil and then add more pepper, hot pepper if you desire, or soya sauce. You can even add other spices and other. It tastes good too. Enjoy with your favorite veggies. The third recipe is a very common recipe among Nigerians and maybe other neighboring African countries. It's just to fry the fish. Either you fry the fish or you bake it, whichever one that works for you. Okay, so after cleaning the fish, you spice it with your favorite spices and seasonings. Then you fry it or you bake it. In my own case, I baked because it's easier for me. But if you don't have oven, go ahead and fry it. You can even roast it in a local fire. Yeah. And then after that, you blend your tomatoes and hot pepper, tatachi, any kind of pepper that you like. Blend them and make a sauce, hot sauce or tomato sauce, however you want it. And then mix the fish inside it with the sauce. If you want the fish to absorb the sauce, then you can put it back in the oven for like a few minutes and then on a low heat to allow the fish to absorb the sauce. Or you can leave them in a pot and then on the stove top, leave it for a few minutes also, but on a very low heat. Then that allows the fish to absorb the sauce and it tastes so good. All the recipes in this video, they are good for ceremonies, parties, birthdays, and things like that. I hope you will like this video. I hope it helps. And if that does, please don't forget to like our video and share to your friends and also subscribe to our channel. I love you guys, and until we meet again, have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.